morning, children. Today we are going to see 6th English Term 2, Unit 2, Prose 2, Trip to Ooty. The lesson Trip to Ooty is about the letter written by Merlin to Molly. This is Merlin and this is Molly. They are close friends. Children, in the letter, Merlin narrated to Molly about her trip to Ooty with her classmates. She said that their class teacher, Mrs. Geeta, and other 2 teachers accompanied with her class to Ooty. Merlin was so excited when she stepped into the toy train with her friends. Excited means thrilled. Excited means thrilled. There were wooden chairs with cushioned seats and oil-painted walls. She called out her friend Fatima to sit next to her. They were enjoying the view from the toy train. Their teacher, Mrs. Geeta, came around to see if everyone was seated properly. The train started with a jerk and moved slowly. Jerk means sudden movement. Jerk means sudden movement. Every one of them clapped joyfully. One of the boys, Muthu, wanted to walk along the side of the train as it was going very slowly. But his teacher scolded him to go to his seat immediately. All the girls laughed at this and Muthu sat down quietly with a long face. Merlin saw the beautiful scenes when the train moved. Scenes means sight. The scenes was beautiful with the purple blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and the estates. Forming means making. Estates means farms. Monkeys with babies clinging onto them were racing all along the tracks. Racing means running. One of the monkeys tried to snatch a banana from a girl. Snatch means pluck. As she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving on the track, she gave a scream and moved back. Scream means cry. The misty clouds which covered the mountains. Misty means covered with mist and smoke. The bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Bubbling means overflowing. Stream means river. And a pretty blue bird were marvelous to see. Marvelous means amazing or excellent. Suddenly, the train stopped with a thud. Thud means heavy sound. Boys were so excited to see what happened. So, they begged their teacher to allow them to step out of the train. Begged means requested. Begged means requested. In the end, the whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. Greeted means welcomed. Greeted means welcomed. There they saw a cute baby elephant sitting on the track. The mother elephant was nearby trumpeting loudly. Trumpeting means making a loud noise. Trumpeting means making a loud noise. The engine driver and others tried to move the baby off the track with the bunch of bananas. But the mother elephant did not allow anyone near the baby. So they were making all kinds of sounds to make the baby elephant move from there. Just then, Muthu went up to the baby with a bunch of bananas. Just as it moved to eat it, he moved backwards. He kept doing this till the baby was out on the side of the tracks. Everyone cheered as the baby and the mother started eating the bananas. Cheered means encouraged. Cheered means encouraged. As they were eating, everyone got into the train and it left after a delay of half an hour. Merlin entered the letter saying that it was a fantastic trip. Fantastic means excellent. It was enchanting to listen to the sounds of streams. Streams means river. And waterfalls. She can never forget the wide. Wide means broad or extensive. Wind swept tea estates. Cloud covered mountains. The swaying trees and the birds chirping. The whole group was so excited by the trip. Children, now we came to an end of the story. So, maintain a separate notebook for English. In case of any doubt, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Children, now let's see the glossary. Trip, travel, excited, thrilled, fun, enjoyment, jerk, sudden movement, scene, sight, forming, making, clinging, sticking, snatch, pluck, scream, cry, bubbling, overflowing, misty, covered with mist and smoke, stream, river, begged, requested, estates, farms, raising, running, greeted, welcomed, cheered, encouraged, trumpeting, making a loud noise, fantastic, excellent, bunch, group. Children, now let's see the opposites. Baby, adult, loudly, softly, delay, speed, fantastic, common, greeted, ignored, pretty, ugly, scream, murmur, outside, inside, wide, narrow, friend, enemy. Now let's see fill in the blanks. First one, Merlin was thrilled when the school arranged the trip. Second one, the teacher asked the children to take their seat because the train was about to move. Third one, Geeta madam could not stop the children running out of the train because they wanted to see what had happened. Fourth one, the people were making all kinds of sounds because they wanted to move the baby elephant out of the track. Fifth one, we do not really see the landscape from your normal train because the train never passes through such places. Now, let's see the important questions and answers. First one, where did the boys and girls go? The boys and girls went on a trip to Ooty. Second one, why did Muthu say that he could walk along its side? Muthu said that he could walk along its side because the train was moving very slowly. Third one, why did the girls snigger? The girls sniggered because the teacher shouted at Muthu to go back to his seat immediately. Fourth one, why did Muthu and his friends step out of the train? The train stopped suddenly. So Muthu and his friends stepped out of the train to see what had happened. Fifth one, describe the beauty of the blue mountain. The purple blue mountains formed lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Sixth one, who came and sat next to Merlin in the toy train? Fatima, her friend, came and sat next to Merlin. Seventh one, who was on the track? A cute baby elephant was sitting on the track. Eighth one, what did the engine driver do? He tried to move the baby gently off the track with the bunch of bananas. Children, now let's see the short recap of the story. Merlin's class teacher arranged a trip to Ooty. Merlin was so excited when she stepped into the toy train. The train moved with a jerk. As it moved, they saw monkeys racing along the tracks. A monkey tried to snatch a banana from a girl. She let out a scream and moved back. The train stopped suddenly because there was a baby elephant on the track. It was a memorable trip for everyone. All were excited about this trip to Ooty. Now it's time for question. Once again, you can go through the story and answer for this evaluation. First one, to whom did Merlin write a letter and why? Second one, what were the monkeys doing? Third one, what did the people do to make the baby elephant move from the track? Fourth one, what was enchanting to listen? Fifth one, why did a monkey try to snatch a banana from a girl?